Hey, what's up, guys? Today, Gene's sweeping.
Or I got.
He's got it. He got the piano. We'll get the music. So this morning, I had a truck on the lift, and I heard some popping. It was scary. So we decided now these are getting cut out. We're going to cut this floor out. We're going to go down 2 feet. So it's basically 2 foot by 2 foot square. And we got J-bolts. We've got concrete. We've got basically everything to replant that lift back in on the ground to where it's nice and sturdy. This one wasn't bad over here. These stayed pretty good. That one over there did not. We're going to do some cutting, some digging, some concrete pouring, which I'm not good at all. But we're going to figure it out, right, Gene? So yeah, let's get to it. Good. See if I can still swing a, can't even talk. See if I can still swing the sledgehammer. This thing looks a little sketchy though, Bob. See the grass? Okay, out there. Yeah, come on, let's stand over there. Woo! Starting to break around the edges right here. Swing this a couple times. There you go. So, got this side all cut out. Didn't want to bore you guys with it. But I don't know what Gene's problem is, because I hit my side and it broke right out. So,
I took a lunch break, Bob.
He's still fighting that side over there. That's like 8 inches of concrete. I think this is like 3. So I'll let the kids sit and chip at it, pull the concrete out of it. Like Gene chips away his side for 9 hours. It's 8 inches today. They put every rock in Santa Fe inside that concrete right there. So at least that assures me that the center of my shop is good to go.
Yeah.
This part, not so much.
Not so much here.
We'll get this all pulled out of here. Boys will put it in a wheelbarrow and we'll start digging. The fun part, digging out the gravel. What I thought the other side was do right here. So of course, that's the size. Go-getter. He's a go-getter. He's not messing around. You find dirt yet, Bob?
I got that.
Did you?
So big.
You need a toothbrush?
I get some done.
I got hit in the face when you do like swimming that bleeding. I am bleeding.
Oh, now you are.
Wow. Blood, sweat, and tears right here, Bob. He's got the tears. I got the blood and sweat. I'll take that tear. Gotta plug a little bit, right? All right, we went to my dad's and he pulled out the big guns. Gene's got a new toy. He's excited. All right, little update on the holes in the shop floor. We got a mess. So this one's down about 16 inches. This one's down, what would you say, Gene? Almost 2 feet.
About the same, yeah.
18 inches. Gene finally got the concrete all busted out. We went and got a jackhammer. Let's see, a big jackhammer back there from my dad. We got a little bit of concrete left. We threw the other stuff in the dumpster. We've been working our butts off. We're gonna get this thing prep for concrete. And I guess in the morning, Gene says we're pouring concrete. So wish us luck. But anyhow, the lift is going to be nice and solid now. We'll have big solid blocks in the ground here. And I won't have to worry anymore. Spot right here, look at that. Maybe 2 inches of concrete in those corners. No wonder why this concrete's all busted out. But so now we'll drill in here, here, there. We'll put rebar in there. We'll knock a piece of rebar down in the ground, and then we'll pour the concrete. We'll make a template that is that same pattern of the lift. We'll take that pattern, we'll put it down with J-bolts bolted to it, suck it down in the concrete, and then when it all dries, we'll set the lift back on it, and it'll be nice and solid. Anyway, lots of mess to clean up, lots of work tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sunday and we're working, so I even got cut. Little dried blood there. Blood, sweat, and tears, bud. What do you think, Gene? You done for the night or what?
I still got to go.
Sadly, we haven't found any dinosaur bones.
Are you done yet, Jaden? What have you done?
Done before we started.
He tipped over a wheelbarrow of concrete, didn't you? That's all right. Wayne, you done?
I've been done since the day I was born.
Oh, jeez. Keaton, you done?
You worked me to death.
Are you done? Are we done?
We've been done since he's got here.
Anyway, we'll get this finished up, prepped up for concrete, and we'll call it a night. All right, it's a new day in the shop. The holes are rebarred, tied, ready to go. Our lift post will go hole there, hole there, hole there, hole there, hole there. Just like that. We got the lift straight, squared off, so that we could make templates for the bottom. Like I say, the kids got all the dirt cleaned up out of here, and that's all tied off and ready. We're on our way, Gene. We're gonna be concrete pourers. All right, we got the jigs all built. J-bolts are in. So what this whole setup is for, if you haven't figured that out yet, once we pour the concrete, we will flip that, and then that will set our J-bolts exactly where they need to be. We'll kind of wiggle it down into the concrete, let it sit for what, 3 days probably, Gene? Yeah, let's make some concrete. Okay, goes first pour. We broke the mixer, so see what it does inside that hole. Right, about half. Yeah. On to the next pour. No pressure, Gene.
No pressure.
No pressure with the wheelbarrow that's full. Okay. Second wheelbarrow. Mixed by hand with love by Gene. Right?
A lot of love.
Then he falls in the hole.
We're setting the hole. Okay. Grab that shovel. You good?
You're good. Forward a little bit. Come forward a little bit. Right there. It's kind of satisfying. She ain't going nowhere now.
I won't play.
Yeah, one more bag for that, huh? Okay, well, we might be running to the hardware store because unless we get some more filler in this, we're gonna need some extra bags. Anyway, oh look, there's some filler right there. Perfect. Yeah, I got some pieces, some filler pieces, bud. That'll help. All right, we're doing this the old school way because this piece of crap broke, and I don't want to do it with a shovel. So we'll do it buckets at a time. It's going pretty fast, actually. Not too bad.
I think we should call that good. We're done for it.
Yep, we'll dump this one. All right, it's the third wheelbarrow. We're gonna put this Formula One magazine dated 9/12 of 2025 down in the bottom of the hole. And then somebody ever digs this up, that tells what year we poured the concrete. Oh, those are heavier than I remember when I was younger. That would suck if I spilled this, wouldn't it? You gotta guide me.
Okay. Start tipping.
Magazine. Magazine.
Right there.
What we're gonna do, filler right here, magazine right there. Put a couple of these on top of it. So there we go. Never see it again. Oh. Stop! Looks like doing with a little kid, get it all pretty.
That.
Why?
You're always messing with it. Look how pretty that is.
Okay.
Okay. That's 12 bags of concrete. I don't know if it's gonna do it. Might need one more. But if my calculations are correct, we did really well, but who knows? Now, might do it, huh?
I need my calculations. Nope.
Oh. Well,
Go to the store, I'll drive.
2 more bags, huh? Maybe even 3.
I did one.
Okay. Concrete is poured. That one hole's done. That hole's done. And we're getting ready to set this jig in place. These boards here, these 3 throughout, will sit right down on the concrete and keep that wood right above it to where those nuts are just flush into the concrete a little teeny bit. I'm excited to get this thing back in place. It's only been out of place for a couple of days, but we have a lot of cars lined up to mess with, and frankly we can't really go without the lift for very long. So we're going to let that settle for just a minute, and we'll get this jig set in place. I think we're done for the night. We leave it alone. All right, well, our jig is in place. We'll let that sit there. We got the rotors holding everything down. We'll let that sit there for probably till tomorrow at least before I unbolt it. And hope that the lift goes back in place. Now we're going to attempt to lift this bar up to there. See if we can set this lift in place, because it's heavy. So let's try it. my jig work?
We need an hour jig. Lifting up high and I keep it low. What do you need to do? Yeah.
That didn't go too bad. That went way better than I anticipated. Wipe this up, clean it up a little bit, and we'll drop the washers and nuts on it. And then I've got a shim kit. We'll shim it, get it all plumb. It's still wired in, so we'll just rehang our wire back up on that bracket right there. And that's how you put a lift back in place right there. Instead of tearing it all apart and everything, we'll put the tension back on the cables. We will put this centerpiece back in, and then our lifts back in. So that concrete has dried for 6 days now, right? Yeah, 6 days. Almost, tomorrow will be 7, so I think that's plenty dry. All right, Wayne's just wiping that centerpiece. We got it all shimmed. It's nice and plumb. Levels on there. Got a little bit of tilt, little teeny bit there, just for weight purposes. So when it goes up, it'll level itself out. And this one's all done, tight. We've got a castle nut, double nut on there. She ain't going nowhere. She's tight. And we're just gonna set this centerpiece back in, and then we will pull a car on it, see how it does. Now hopefully this fits. Well, there it is. It's in. We are ready to start lifting cars again. And that's how you reset a lift. It's been in here for like 6 years, 5 years, 5.5, 6 years. That was not safe. So I'm so glad that we got that dug out and fixed. Now we can move on with all these other projects we got. I got about 5 cars lined up just in a week ready for the lift. And so, yeah, it's good timing. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. We appreciate you guys. And we keep doing this just because you guys watch. And we enjoy filming this and making memories of it. And yeah, thank you.